Nakakaiyak ang ma-broken heart, pero mas nakakaiyak ang may broken hope. It's not God's will for you to live a hopeless life. Hopeless na tayo sa ating health, hopeless tayo sa ating career. You're not hoping that things will get better. Hindi ka na umaasa na makakaahon pa kayo sa hirap. Hindi ka na umaasa na gagaling pa kayo sa inyong kasakitan. Lagi kang uninspired, unmotivated. You feel powerless. You feel overwhelmed. You feel like giving up. You concluded in your mind, I will never be happy again. God wants to resurrect yung hopelessness na naramdaman ni Mary and ni Martha. Even death is not a dead end to God. Satan just convinced us na ang Diyos natin incompetent, na ang Diyos natin incapable, na ang Diyos natin ay impotent. No! Ang Diyos natin is able to do exceeding abundantly above all that we could think or imagine. Lagi sinasabi ni Satan sa'yo, walang magagawa yung Diyos mo, hindi ka pinapakinggan ng ating Panginoon. So the next time that you look at your situation, look with hope. Right. You may feel dry, empty, and overwhelmed. But remind yourself, God is able. Because God's character has not changed. Ang character ng Lord hindi nagbago. Mabuti siya noon, mabuti siya ngayon, magiging mabuti pa rin siya. Kahit ano pa mang panahon.